Let's take up question number 66. Identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. Now here in the first choice, as you see, serosa is the innermost layer of the alimentary canal. Now you know serosa is the outermost layer. Ileum is highly coiled, so that is right, it is the longest part of our small intestine and it is highly coiled. But let us see the other options as well. Vermiform appendix arises from duodenum. Now that is wrong, it is in the large intestine from the cecum part, and ileum opens into the cecum, of course, not in the small intestine. It itself is a part of a small intestine. So that means our correct answer is option 2. Answer 2, this is correct. Now from here let us move on to our next question, that is 67. Now in this question you see, in which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive. So we know that in this case one can carry out IVF, that is in vitro fertilization, and after in vitro fertilization the zygote so formed is incubated so that the division occurs and then it is transferred, which is called ET, right. So ET, that is embryo transfer. Now this ET is of two types, that is ZIFT, that is zygotic intrafallopian transfer, in case the embryo is within 8-celled stage, or you can say up to 8-cell stage, or the zygote, and if it is more than 8-celled stage then it is intrauterine transfer. So in this case we can see that these two are given in option 4 and this would be our correct answer. In case of gift, of course, the fertilization occurs in vivo within the female's body. In case of ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, in this case the fertilization is done in vitro, but after that once again it would be requiring embryo transfer. So that itself will not be a technique for embryo transfer. The only embryo transfer techniques would be ZIFT and IUT, right. So from here then we can move on to the next questions.